so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw Arpo. Arpo is a great and patient babysitter who's also a robot. All right, let's start by drawing Arpo's face. Let's start with this curved line like that. Go up with another curve, and then let's draw the top of Arpo's head. Whoa! Whee! Then let's keep that curved line going, and woo! Yeah! All right, and then for his eyes, some more curved lines, and a circle with a circle inside. Another circle with another circle inside, and you can't forget about his mouth. Yeah, a straight line and a silly tooth right there. Whoa! And for his shoulders, there's Arpo. Wow, I love drawing. Did you have fun today? Yeah! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And I was just acting like I was driving a race car. Race cars are so fast. Hey, maybe you and I can draw a race car. All right, first let's start with the color blue and let's draw the wheels and tires. Every race car has 4 wheels and tires, but since we're drawing it from the side, all we need to do is draw 2. And do you see those tires? Yeah, they're circles. Ooh, and let's draw the body of the race car. Whoa, a nice aerodynamic shape. Whoa, so fast. And then let's draw a triangle for the back right there, a triangle for the front right here. Whoa, cool. And then let's switch colors. And let's draw red flames because they're so fast. Cool. And let's not forget about the spoiler. Whoa, doesn't that look like a cool race car? I know, right? Well, if you like race cars and you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a spider with me? Yeah, I like spiders. They are so cool how they can spin webs. Wow, isn't that unique? I know. All right, to draw a spider, I'm gonna grab this black marker and draw a circle. All right, just like that. And then, since they have 8 legs, let's draw 8 curved lines like that. There we go. And then 4 on this side to make the 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then let's draw a circle right here for an eye, circle right there for an eye, and then a smiley face. But this isn't just a normal spider. This is a black widow. Let's draw the hourglass over there. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, black widows have this red hourglass on the body. Yeah, you don't want to get close to those. Pretty cool. Well, I love drawing, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been outside when it's raining? Yeah, what do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa, and then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw a letter J. Yeah, just like that, for the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa, let's add some green. Whoa, there we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa, Now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi, and I'm really tired. Wait a second. Why don't we draw a bed together? That sounds like fun. Yeah, I love going to bed because I have sweet, nice dreams. All right, let's draw a blue bed. All right, first, let's start to draw a big rectangle. Yeah, and I'm gonna make a little gap right there, and I'll show you why. You see that? But first, we need some pillows. Yeah, you need to have something to lay your head on, and these pillows are rectangles. Yeah, just like that. And watch this trick. Whoa! Looks like when you go like this, yeah, it looks like those are the blankies. But if you do a little line like that, and then match that squiggle, now it looks like you folded back the covers and made your bed. Whoa! Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a dinosaur with plates on its back and spikes on its tail. Yeah, you guessed it, a Stegosaurus. All right, to draw a Stegosaurus, let's draw a curved line for its back. Ooh, and then a curved line for its tail, just like that. And then let's go down and draw 4 legs, because Stegosauruses had 4 legs. And then a straight line for the body, 2 more legs to complete the 4, and then, yeah, some curved lines for the head. Whoa! Can't forget about the circle for the eye, and a little smiley face. Yeah, but what's it missing? Yeah, the plates. And every Stegosaurus had 17 or more plates. So, will you count 17 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Cool. All right, that was so much fun drawing the Stegosaurus with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later, Red Stegosaurus. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know all the planets of our solar system? Yeah. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Wow, there's 8 planets. Why don't we draw one of them? I'm gonna pick the color red, and let's draw Saturn. Wow, Saturn is the 2nd largest planet. Whoa, and it looks like top of a circle, but I'm gonna stop halfway. And then I'm gonna start to draw the ring. Whoa, check it out. And then the bottom half of the circle, just like that. Wow, doesn't that look like Saturn? I know, wow. Thank you so much for drawing Saturn with me. If you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about.